This is Sachin. I'm going to show you today how to find free Kindle ebooks on Amazon. So I've opened the site amazon.com, and if you see this left navigation, you can go here and Kindle e-reader and books is the option. You select Kindle books. This brings you to the category page for the all Kindle ebooks. Now in this specific category, you can actually search for any kind of books that you are looking for. Try to keep keyword very generic, like for example you say free kids book, and that should give you some results which are already kind of showing some of the free books. The first thing you should do is set it to average customer review so that you get all the top rated books on top, and that will make sure that you get best quality of the books. For example, if you see this is a Kindle edition and free, I can buy it right now. This is how you can buy it. One thing to note here, if you see this, this is Kindle edition, wherein this one says Kindle Unlimited. This is not really free. This one comes free with Kindle Unlimited membership, which is I think only applicable for the people who have owned the Kindle device, and these books you can actually read on any Kindle free app on any iOS or Android devices. So just make sure you don't spend time on Kindle Unlimited if you do not really have Kindle the device. And all other books, if you see a lot of these free books, you could actually go through them. If you go all the way down to the page, you'll see there's like 41 pages here. So just navigate through the entire tree. You may find probably first 2 3 4 pages that will have a lot of good books, and then you may start seeing the quality go down, but for most part you may be really still finding good books. Important tip would be to say that keep visiting the amazon.com for searching these books once in a while. Maybe when you're done reading with all your books, try it. A lot of these free book deals come in around various shopping seasons like Thanksgiving or even holiday season during Christmas, or even for that matter any other shopping weekends where a lot of e-commerce deals are coming. So even ebooks are on deals. So if you randomly visit the website, you may find more and more free books available there. Thanks for watching.